Good morning, dear students. So next structure is about the COF6 3 minus. Okay. So first step is to calculate the oxidation state. So let's see the oxidation state. What will be the oxidation state? This is the structure COF6 3 minus. So X minus 6 is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 plus 6, that is plus 3. Okay. So oxidation state is plus 3. Now what is the ground state configuration of CO? I told you cobalt is 27. Okay, cobalt is 27. So 27, 3d7, 4s2 will be the ground state configuration. Okay, now we have to see the excited state configuration. That will be the excited state configuration will be what? That is CO3 plus will be 3d. Here from here 2 electrons will go and from here 1 electron will go. So what will be there? 3d6, 4s, 0. This will be the excited state configuration. So let's compile all this and draw the diagram. So first ground state configuration we have drawn. This is the 3d7 and 4s2. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3d7 and here 4s2. This is the ground state configuration. Now the excited state. Excited state what will do? Will remove 3 electrons. 3 electrons will be removed. So what will happen? See, from here 2 electrons will be removed and from here 1 electron will be removed. The structure will be like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3d6. Okay, and 4s will be 0 as 2 electrons is gone from here and 1 electron gone from here. Understood? Okay. Now this is drawn. Okay. Now the third structure is the complex structure. What is the complex? COF6 3 minus. Now we will do the overlapping of orbitals with the ligand electrons. Understood? So COF6 3 minus. So now draw the overlapping structure. First, what will happen? What type of structure is this? Let's see the structure. Okay. Ligand is F. Okay, F is a ligand. So which type of ligand is fluorine? Fluorine is a weak ligand. Okay, fluoro, these all are weak ligand. Understood? So weak ligand, in the presence of weak ligand, there will be no pairing of electrons. In the presence of weak ligand, there will be no pairing of electrons. Remember this. So what will happen? The structure will be like this. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 electrons will be here. There will be no pairing of electrons. Now, how many orbitals should be vacant? 6 orbitals should be vacant. So, if we will see 4s, 4p, 4 orbitals are there only. So, we have to introduce 2 more orbitals. For this, 4d will come into play. Understood? So, यहाँ पे 4d orbitals, जो outer d orbitals है, now वो आ जाएंगे. ठीक है? And this 4d orbitals will be participating in bond formation here. Understood? As all the orbitals are free. यहाँ पे inner orbitals के पास जगह नहीं है. There will be no pairing of electrons due to the presence of weak ligand. Okay? So the outer orbitals will be used. The outer d orbitals will come into play and it will be participating in bond formation. Okay? So let's see now. Here this will be given by fluorine. Okay? Fluorine. Okay? We can write like this. Okay, this is given by fluorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the structure? This is 6sp3d2. What is the hybridization? sp3d2. How many orbitals are involved? 6 orbitals are involved. So we can write here 6 hybrid. First 6 sp3d2. What is this? sp3d2 hybrid orbitals of COF6 3 minus. Okay, COF6 3 minus. So this is the the structure. Here, one more thing I want to tell you. As earlier we had discussed about the inner orbital complex. Here, which d orbitals are used in bond formation? Outer orbitals are used. Understood? I told you 4 d orbitals come into play for participating in bond formation, as there are no vacant d orbitals. Inner d orbitals are not present. So, we have taken 4d outer orbitals. So, this is the complex called outer orbital complex. Okay. So, we will say this outer orbital complex. Okay. Now, you can see the pairing of electrons is not there. So, there are many unpaired electrons present. Unpaired electron will result in more spin. Okay. The resulting spin will be more. Understood? So, this type of formation is called high spin complex. Okay, this type of complex are called high spin complex, as the resultant spin will be more. So, high spin complex. Okay, we will write here high spin complex. Okay, first is outer orbital complex, second is high spin complex. And as this is due to the presence of weak ligand, under the influence of weak ligand, there is no pairing of electrons, and due to this no pairing of electron, high spin complex form, outer orbital complex formed. Understood? So, as you remember this 3, means if you will remember one, you will remember the other 2 also. Weak ligand. Okay, so it is done in the presence of weak ligand. So, under the influence of weak ligand, you can make it 1. Under the influence of weak ligand, there will be no pairing. And if there will be no pairing, outer orbitals will be used. So, outer orbital complex. And as the unpaired electrons are present due to the presence of weak ligand, unpaired electron will always result in more spin. Okay, so this will be high spin complex. The earlier was what? Inner orbital complex, low spin complex, and strong ligand, under the influence of strong ligand. And this type of bond formation will involve weak ligand, high spin complex, and outer orbital complex. Understood? Okay, so you can please write this, draw this properly. Okay, and first take the screenshot and then you can draw. Okay.